Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to get started programming in Java. Now today what we're just going to do, we're going to create a simple Java project that we print hello world. But before we get started, there's something I want you to know or to see. If you install Eclipse and you're having a problem with Eclipse, you try to open Eclipse, it's not working. Let's say here's where you've installed Eclipse, for example, to this directory. Now just open up your Eclipse folder. Yeah, let's say that's where you have the file. So make sure you create this folder. It's called JRE, and then once you create a folder named JRE, that's where you need to install your Java code. Okay, so let's create the project. We are creating a Java project. Click next, and then you can name your project. Let's name it hello world, right? This is our first project, and then we'll use the default JRE to run, or rather execute our runtime environment. So let's name our code hello world, and then click next. Okay, let's see. As we wait for it to load, let's wait for the product to load, and then we'll proceed from there. So as you can see, we have our source folder there. That's where we are going to put all our Java files. All our Java files are going to be in this folder, the source folder right there. No, open, but no, click no, that's not important. So what we are just going to do, we're going to look for our source folder. Here it is, and then we are going to create let's create a package. What is a package? A package is simply a folder to help you organize your files. Think of a package that way. Okay, let's create a package. Let's give it a name. Hello. Yeah, you can name it hello. You can name it whatever you want. Let's name it hello. Click finish, and we have our package to help us organize our work. Now inside our package is where we're going to place our Java files. Let's create our class. So since this is our first project, we are just going to name it hello world as well, right? Hello world. Click finish. Our project is being created for us, and it's taking a couple of minutes, and voila, here's our project. Oh, it doesn't have the main method, and since I'm lazy, I do not want to type it out. We just have to delete let's just delete this and recreate it, and make sure we include the main method. Okay, you have to include the main method. Let's create it again. Class, Java class, hello world. Hello world, that's the convention, is normally named hello world. Your first project is normally, hello world, letting the world know, hey, here we are. I don't know why people do it. I don't know why I do it, but hello world is just a convention that when you start coding, when you start programming, you name your project hello world. Yes, so system.out.println hello world, and then we are going to run this project and see if it prints to the console. So if it prints to the console, then it means our project is set up the right way that it should, right? So we're just going to run it as a Java application, and there we are. We should see it in the console in just about now, hello world. So it means our project is set up well.